Hi! Today I'll be sharing with you one of the concerns of the clients or sa mga gusto mag-invest sa real estate. So, mo ni siya ang hidden cost. So, nayuban nga mo na ang reason nga nung dili sila dito mag-invest. But the truth is, makita na siya sa sample computation na dito ang breakdown of how much is the total contract price, how much is the reservation fee, whether it's 5,000, 10,000, it depends upon the type of the property, and then how much is the equity or the down payment or pila ang imuhang bayaran out of the total contract price. Usually it ranges from 5 to 10%, and then how much is the loanable amount. So mo na siya ang ipa-finance is either sa bank financing or sa pag-ibig financing, and then how much will be the estimated amortization. It's either 25 years to 30 years, depende gid siya sa edad sa client as well as the income requirement. And the next one is, it's very important for you to connect to real estate practitioners like us sa Heads Realty. It's because we are connected or accredited me sa mga developers. Tanan nga mga details nga naa sa amoa is gikan sa ilaha. So if you have the same concern, is you can message us and we can guide you every step of the way. Thank you.